Those of you in Abuja, limited space available for Abuja branch. We even have plenty space in Lagos, but in Abuja, very limited space is available there. So if you know you're coming to our school and you want it to be this April, make sure you are fast about it. So you come closer, let them see what they are seeing. Do you have questions there?
Please, ma, is this also like a 6 pieces?
Yes, it is a 6 pieces. Judith, I'm going to verse with you. You're not reading our questions. Okay? Why are you not reading our questions now? Read our questions. The last time people were vexing with you that you're not reading our questions. Please read our questions. Is it a 6 pieces? Yes, it's a 6 pieces. Right? And this can be done as 6 pieces, 8 pieces, 10 pieces, any amount of pieces you want to make it. It's possible to do it. What other question do you have here?
Please, can you try as much as possible to have a branch in Enugu?
We are trying, don't worry. God will do it. He's listening to you.
How much, ma?
In school fees?
Yes.
Okay, there are different categories. You can learn as freehand or you can learn as pattern drafting. For free. Hey, that's true. That's true. For free. I was saying. You did talk to me.
No, this one is asking for how much, so we should refer to our page.
Okay. Yeah. We are online on. I have posted the links so many times online. At valisimofashions.com, you can get all those information there. But let me go straight to the point. 3 months presently is a total of 135. If you are interested in freehand training, it's 135,000 presently. If you are interested in pattern drafting training, it is 150 for 3 months. That is very cheap compared to other schools that I know about that are reputable. There's a difference between you go to a fashion school and nobody knows what. You know, when you collect that certificate, we don't know where you came from. It's just one school, sha. There's a difference with those kind of schools and a school where when you mention the name, it's popular enough for someone to say, oh, I've heard about that name. I've heard about that school. I didn't know the ones located in. That's a school. A school with reputation, right? When you know our prices and you compare other schools that have reputation as well, when you know their prices, our prices are very cheap. I can tell you that one for free of charge. And there's a reason why it's like that. This brand is specifically to take care of a certain group of people, and who knows, just might be one of them. So, going on, I'm cutting my center front now.
What did you use to determine the center cut reflection?
What did I use to
determine the center cut reflection?
Okay, I went there before. I remember telling you that my total bust is 44. So I divided it into 22 front, 22 back. Right? Now, from the 22 in front, I took out 8 inches from here to here. The remaining out of that 22 was 16, which we now divided into this space and this space. So that gave us 8 inches here, 8 here, and 8 here. That's how we got to that particular.
It's unable to play on my phone.
It's unable to play on your phone. That's your network problem, not mine.
Like 3 different people have said that.
Unable to play on your phone, but you are here now. How come you are here?
How can we learn from you, ma, in Lagos? And is there accommodation attached to it?
Yes, there is accommodation. We have hostel facility here in Lagos for students who are coming from outside Lagos. They can be a part of us. Please help me wording. quickly. They can be a part of us by coming to our school. We're located at Ogba number 2 Akiwale Street, Ogba, Lagos. How can you learn from us? It's very simple. You simply pay your school fees and your classes are started immediately. This April registration is the one coming with an attachment of a sewing machine. If not, even in May, our school is still open. June, our school is still open. It's just that the same machine might not be there at those points in time. But you are free to register. Our registration is monthly. Tomorrow, yes, be online tomorrow. Our students are going to be having their final exams. Some of them are having their final exams tomorrow, Wednesday. And I like to make mouth, but I like to make mouth on things that are very correct, very cogent. Please just come and see the designs they have for you. Just come out online. I will post there. I'm going to be online in your face tomorrow. Posting. The pictures that I'll be posting tomorrow. God spells or God take care of us through the night. You'll see. When you come to a school that takes care of you, that helps you grow. Not a school that's pampering you. As if it's not fixed well, but they just say, you can manage it, child. Don't worry. We will not pamper you. In the school yesterday, while they were doing assessments, the assessment started on Friday and it ended yesterday in school. Some people finished clothes, sew it with money, and they brought it to us and we said, sorry, this cannot go for your exam. Cancel. What about that? You have stress, or you have so no. If it's not good, and we'll tell you. And we don't have any reason not to tell you. If we don't tell you now, when the client is telling you tomorrow, you will feel insulted. You will feel pain. Somebody will now say, you finished from Valisimo. No, it's no longer happening. If it's good, it's good. If it's not good, it's not good. Now, the kind of pictures we're going to put out there for you tomorrow to see, you know our students have tried. Either they are coming in as pattern drafting for training, or they are coming in as freehand method for training, the one we call bespoke. You should be able to work with a client and make her feel comfortable and make her feel good. Yes, do you have a question there?
Yes, but ask you, what is bespoke? What is pattern drafting?
Pattern drafting is the type where you use paper. Where you learn commercial pattern. You learn what a size 6 is. You learn how to draft pattern for a size 8, a size 10. Okay? You understand the Englishman's way of making clothes. The bespoke one is the one where we use inches to take our measurements. Pattern drafting concentrates on centimeters. They use this back. So when a person tells you, her bust is about 89 centimeters, right? What they are simply saying in terms is that it is 38.5 inches. But when they tell you that it is 89 centimeters, for somebody who is not used to this side of measurements, wondering, what did they say? Why did they say that? How come that is this? So the idea behind the pattern drafting is you'll be studying from the book, textbook, how the woman calls this, how he labels that. But at the end of the day, you and the person that did the freehand method training are doing the same thing. If you expected to make a flare dress or this design I just made, a top, at the end of the day, we should be able to see that it was a top you're making, not that you turn around and give us a battle. When we're going to a real estate. Do you have another question there?
Do you have an annex in Egbeda, Lagos?
Egbeda? No, presently we're still in Oba. And that's about.
Did you make your dress, the one you have on?
Oh,
lovely.
Chisom made it for me. Oh, Chisom made it. Thank you. Chisom, that's my lovely Chisom. And in fact, the one I'm going to wear tomorrow, come and show them the design. The one I'm wearing tomorrow, she's already crafting it for me, you see? So, that is that for that. Okay, so that's about it.
What's the function of the estate?
Okay, and I was going to cut what we just now